In this video, we are going to show you a very impressive but easy figure, the lean in, which many people get wrong, so let's go.
Dice que pa' matar la tusa, que porque un hombre le pagó mal, está dura y abusa, se cansó de ser buena, ahora es ella quien los usa, que porque un hombre le pagó mal, ya no se le ve sentimental, dice que por otro más no llora, no, pero si le ponen la canción, le da una depresión tonta, llorando lo comienza a llamar, pero él la dejó en buzón, será porque con otra está, pidiendo que otra se puede amar, pero hice todo este llanto por nada, ahora soy una...
So let's start right away with this one. We start in the close position and let's do a half a basic first. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay guys, from here I want you to prepare in 7 on 8. The preparation comes in 7 and 8 where we breathe in. This means we go 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to make ourselves big and breathe in to prepare for this movement because we want to make that the follower understands that there's no more basic coming and that we want to lead something sensual. So we are in the step tap on 5, 6, breathing in. So now that we are breathing in, we do a step backwards and we bring the lady with us in 1, 2. Here guys, make sure that the contact is with your hips. So we are not making her come with her upper body. We want her to have the contact only with the hips. So we go here in 1, 2, 3, tap. And now to bring her back on 5, we push with the hips in 5 and 6. Now that the hips are traveling, the upper body is falling as well. So we need to, when we are here, we need to stay here to give her space. 6 and help her go out in 7, 8. And we go back into the basic in 1, 2, 3. So let's try from this point of view. Let's go in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6. Breathe in and 1, 2, 3, tap. Guys, do not make a big step. Don't go like this. We don't want that. Just a little bit is enough. So just 1, 2, 3, tap. And now for the followers, when you go back, your chest and your back is straight the whole time here until this point. And now you run your back and you put your chest inwards, and that's how you go up. And at the end, you finish with your head. We are straight and we go in the basic in 1, 2, 3, tap. And now from this point of view, with counting 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic 2, 3, tap. And a small tip for the followers, when you are here, you can either be with both feet together and go like this, or you could also bring this foot to us. So we go 1, 2, 3, tap. This way you're gonna have a lot more stability, and I would recommend this if maybe you don't know the leader, you don't know if he knows how to lead this movement correctly.
If you like this video, make sure to like it and watch the other videos to improve your dance with us. Subscribe to our channel and see you next time. Bye!